Hi, this is Arpit Nagaria from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn TBoxX Engine's get XML from connection module. So it is by default present in your standard subject. When it TBoxX Engine XML, this is your module. So what it does by the name itself, it will retrieve your XML content from the connections resource which you created in the open XML resource module. So basically this is my test case where I am firstly opening a file. This is my XML file path, and this is my resource which I'm creating to load the content. So this is my get XML from connection module where I am calling the connection resource as test and XML resource as resource. So what it means that it will load your all the XML content in your resource, which is nothing but a XML resource. So I will just quickly run this. So my test case is passed, as you can see on the screen. So this is how you can load your XML content in your XML resource by using get XML from connection module.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.